Forest morning, friendship between a donkey and a crow. Oh, crow brother, there is a strange sweet smell in the forest air today. It seems that if you don't do something naughty today, your day will be wasted. Yesterday, the tiger said that I am a fool. Fool, me? Donkey means the glory of intelligence. Today, I will do such a thing that the whole forest will shout, "Long live the Donkey King." You are my right hand, I am your left ear. If we are together, the whole forest will turn around. Come on, today, let's trap the tiger and the fox so that they cannot show their faces in the forest. They think that only they have intelligence, but they don't know there is a funny fire in our heads. You will report from the sky, I will arrange a play on the ground. Today, I will make them laughter carts, they will move around the forest pushing and shoving. I will break their pride in such a way that the tiger will forget to roar and sing, and the fox will laugh while crying. Come on, crow, let the game of wit begin. You are not a donkey, you are a complete intellectual bomb. The tiger will stop roaring today, the fox will twist its tail in fear. They think we are the stupidest in the forest, today we will see how many twists in whose brains. I will fly in the sky and pour news into their heads, as if they themselves fall into their own trap. You will only act, I will play the drum while saying, Kaka. The tiger will hear, think that the news has come, in fact, a trap has come. If you blink once, I will understand, the fooling phase has begun. If you are a donkey, I will be the forest's news channel, Car TV. And if they run in the end, I will broadcast it leap, tiger fox race. Come on, crow, today the forest will tremble with laughter. Josh, I can't stand it anymore. Those crows and donkeys are making so much laughter in the forest these days that my royal dignity has gone. Yesterday, a deer came and said, Mr. Tiger, are you a comedian now? I can't accept this insult. I am the king, I am fear, I am terror. Today I will teach the donkey such a lesson that he will forget his own name. Instead of his he ho ho song, today he will hear aha aha. You trap them, I will catch them and eat them. There is no room for laughter in my stomach, but there is room for donkeys. I will say, donkey, sing a song, and then it will be over in one bite. Come on, today our name will be the Intelligent Tiger and Fox Association. Today the history of the stupidity of crows and donkeys will end. Tiger brother, you are a great speaker. I laugh every time I hear you. But I say, you have to use your wits, not your strength, to catch them. They are quite clever, they once burned our noses with a chili pot. This time we will steal sweets from them, but they will not know. You will scare them, I will make up a story, tiger's magic milk. They will think that drinking this milk will increase their intelligence, and we will add chili powder to that milk. When they drink it, their faces will turn red and swell like balloons. Then you will say, intellect has increased, so has their faces. When their ears, faces, and eyes all turn red, we will laugh and clap. Come on, let the play of wits begin, today the forest will be a field of laughter. Crow brother, today an idea came to mind. We will tell them, we have found the magic banana, the one that brings melody to the throat when it eats the banana. The tiger doesn't want to sing, but he has pride, he will try. You will fly up in the sky and sing, crow crow, the donkey's magic banana. I will sit down and act, banana in his mouth, smoke in his eyes, drama in his throat. They will think that the donkey has really learned to sing. Then when the tiger eats the banana will have green chili juice in it. His throat will burn in such a way that he will not be able to distinguish between roar and song. Then I will say, see, The tiger's melody is fire. Everyone in the forest will laugh and roll on the ground. Wow, the intelligence you have in your head will make even the owl jealous. Just remember, when I say, Kaka, the trap will be activated. If the tiger cries, I will say it is singing. If the fox runs away, I will say it is dancing. The whole forest will see, the intelligence show is going on. When you give the banana, add a little pepper, a little chili, and a lot of laughter. When they scream, we will say, they are singing in a high tone. Today, the whole forest will hear the name of the new song, Bagha Mirchi Rag. You will sing, I will laugh, the forest will tremble. And at the end, they will say, we are lifelong students of crows and donkeys. Throat burns, oh my. What kind of banana is this? My face is on fire. Instead of singing, I feel like I've become a volcano. Fox, where have you gone? My tongue is sticking out. That donkey is laughing at me. I have to do something to stop his laughter. But if I open my mouth now, fire will come out. Pepper in my mouth, laughter in my stomach, and shame in my heart. Now, if someone says, intelligent tiger, I will cry. I went from being a king to being a donkey student. Oh crow, you are a complete black magician. Nose red, tears in eyes, oh my forest. What an experience. I thought I would eat honey, but I got a storm of pepper. Now my eyes are watering, and smoke in my ears. Tiger brother, you are dancing, I am singing, the crow is laughing, the forest circus has begun. That donkey is dancing as if air has entered his stomach too. Hey crow, if you make another, Kaka, I will jump into the river. Now I understand, the donkey is not really stupid, he is a brain machine. From today on, I am his disciple, and you are his teacher. For the first time in the history of the forest, the tiger and the fox have become stupid. Come on, brother, look for a hole in shame, may the donkey and the crow win. Look, crow brother, the tiger is angry with the fire of intelligence. Their seriousness has gone, now laughter is their mask. From now on, if someone says, stupid donkey, I will say, brother of intelligence. Today the forest has learned, not strength, but laughter is the real king. The tiger has forgotten how to roar, the fox has laughed, we have won. Now, let's make a new song, the Fool Festival of the Forest. Where everyone will laugh, no one will be ashamed. We will be the heroes of the forest, the kings of laughter. You sing, ka ka, I sing, hee hee, let the forest resound with our laughter. This is real happiness, isn't it, crow brother? You're right, donkey brother. Today will be written in history. The king of wit, the donkey, and his advisor, the crow, saved the forest. They were strong, but we were funny. They were scary, we showed laughter. This laughter will spread throughout the forest, the tiger will dance, the fox will also give a beat. You are a donkey, but you are a champion of wit. I am a politician, but you are a crow. Come on, let's announce throughout the forest, from today, fool means intelligent. And if anyone asks, who taught me? I will say, crow and donkey, the laughter teachers of the forest. Now come on, let the trees of the forest also laugh. Final lesson. Wisdom and laughter, when these two come together, even the most terrible are defeated. The crow and the donkey proved that, fool, actually means the smartest.